Wana ngo mora mo chware ne mi chwale ka climate change ka alokaloka me piny tie part affecting mon maloye pengo piano wa chika jalo longene change ti karien mano champe poro yen machalo megilo kana yo da me rien chame pieto family ni so there's a way ma alokaloka me piny climate change affecting mon maloye in a way so kumbeti bulu magiti ke Horn of Africa, Central Africa, East Africa ku kero chingi ka chele Archel ki dul me Oxfam me nana ne ki chola duane kit me luanyi kom alakaloka me piny gena yani winye be meda jetwale piano tiana matiana iti ye
lo tiana matiano gen ma pera yani la tiana matiri ko temo ge mone wiye po
ni tiana matiana bulu da no pe tiana
bulu kako temo ngene we have the national action plan pa bulu on climate change. Kawatinero SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, there are some goals that are focused, tier child mati focused on environment. Donc katemi neroni kekero tam matek megwako kabere murumuwa wajini an inclusive strategy miro involving dana weng. Donc involving dana makiteka katu kadi kiteka katu vulu. Ipolpa events makaloni side events. Let me tell you, the best activist kumbeti joma lonya petwera pa jime uguma part kingang. Vulu. Don't know ma gimero support from the leaders. Manyutni influencers mirubetie de vulu belu chalo lo korbela. Lo dirong belu kaneno ngo matika time kido ngo ma mete. In that process we will be talking the environment. Ngo ma kare matime ni they are like role models. Awochi la chenjani the best person matika timu campaign on environment for Uganda now is King Oyo. Ti vulu petie pido dani is above adulthood but mak petie kine tilt kino teno is in between transition. Donc menene ero karo ki campaign ma megane wachi want to do 1 million trees in Fort Portal.
Ani chafuro ero mountain renzori.
So enoni atika kelone mimi oneni examples ni role models konyo kelo influence. PM karo ke ken char kapeto yen tika wajir vulu ni you need to plant the tree entenge mwakabij mirbete na yen tika donkeni. Donc keket ni million achel padan opero yen ema. Inge mwakabij dan mwagwa yen gini. Inge mwakabij la ten matiri. For example, my little Liz can wake up and say, Dad, this is my tree I planted 5 years ago. Ket kong nong ni apero yen ire kumbeti. Ni every ngaramo le choberi workshop money. Wajini the best way to change the green space is to tell the young girls, every time you clock a new year, when you celebrate a birthday, plant a tree.
10 years.
Every time you get married, plant a tree. On a birthday, every birthday you are planting a tree. Every time you get an engagement, you plant a tree. You get married, you plant a tree. Now, it is a two-way system. Nila Chiobere should be doing the same. Exactly. So, what are we talking about here? The young Jomoteno get wrong. Now, we need to be innovative. Trust me, Penny at a church. We had what we call the Bulu Go Green campaign. Darong weju ke pero yen kid mo can ento kumbetimatica loke Gulu Go Green do when mo abija bichela ngej ben pick running pero mo chero kan yoto yen mo achel gulu ni enike pero street motui because out of Gulu Go Green. The campaigners, the crusaders are there. What is the problem? Gitimo Gulu Go Green kagu raising chene gotimo genango gichero ke wile mere yen mage wile ni ento I wilo yen make peka gwakone chidon gwake kene. That's the problem.
Yen get a Ramadan can if one enter.
No.
Yen may sit in
the beautification. We're talking about trees in the town. We should have a park. Cherchinen con counter ground kiro to walk with. Utuoma penero gimoy apart from the old, I don't know whether we call them the historic trees. Yen make American wa yang wa kono dini. Within the space, don't make them greening.
Concrete there, half of it.
Of course, that one has to be put in a mark. Chalo kololo kirati. But even kololo, nero kololo ti eno ikine kene ke perdos these beautiful trees. Magi no ne ke kerti kine Eto mamegwani, everything is just plain.
Talo.
Chi guako kabedo murumu wa pe mero lok ken mero lok mero chene mero guak mero kelu riang ivulu chaweng. Kako meno ko no.
Pui ma bete to pat. Wai meta nyim kumberi ilok mo kana iket me kabedo ma rumu da ya kumberi kiti kamera tikati ilok meri mo dana magiti ingom me dago pat. Wipo ikaberi makilwoni Luigi kanien cha kiri me dana maduong magiti ka beri dago pange pingo ka dana pegeni yang ni kay beri dago ni team settlement dago effects ne chara karapo affecting affecting jumugo magiti surrounding mabegi piano pi machal pi miro yen kor kam miro woriye so kombedi minister maneno lokom nyai lonyo mego Anita Evelyn te wachi dana magiti ka kwonyo ka beri dago to en machal investors kibinena ne mirki non ka beri mo makirama koppo ge ye gen go cher ko tim go metekingo ke biacara ge nyo ke investment ge ingom mano petit dago eni da kunye ne be pian pool kar investors ge nyaay chane pat ke miyo tiji chinglo ten me ko je maduong mabeje magitimo so kape ge miyo igi ka ber nyo settlement pax mogo no chao kene ge roma chara I dago mamegwa so pier tek madani committee ministry ene onen lok me kwanyo kari bena ni ditim gena be miere pe settling I dago pat
Kago logo magu following chibe. Pero polkara kenero malupa ki ngoma no karo ki newspapers, the news media. We have written so many of these stories. May noni polkara noni lunya lim tiki duan madir loiwa annually mi lobo enyo. Why? Because watiki legimon malemon loni puppets. Dan weng good wa level gi o Piny bi level mi no chene. Nika fura rama fodo gi mo ke kany. Who am I? Tie jomo kena maduan ki tego ma kele tim gira ngo gidong no kara giti kwereni. Ngo matika wachine atika wachi chiaro kaberu idago. Ino berni kitimo need assessment, kitimo environment impact assessment. Min nero ni ngatiku yibu gena ko mani dago peka no bo beru kwe. Ento furi bino atura kirika ki geng kining wanga kong ki kero gima. Kirika ki chet ki muk ki mugu mere mi royo ki wani royo mi dog down ni. Ki mugu ori mugu mini we have demolished this and this. Ki mi yedu ya dega ngwana beach. Inono ki umo ki bare. Ma ini chara ka wipone ate malo. Artumo. Iti munga. Impunity. Ma ni ate mo nyong onyo ati mo kogo timo ngo. Give it ngo. They will talk and keep quiet. Emma ginene tika nekwa. Abenero girote megolo. We had RCC Migulo, a very young man, Rorlonyo. Inget Sinabel. La Lonyo Mono Bino Kanyuka on your Gwen, Kibino Umodi Wachel. Udiko Chon, Kichu, Kichako on your Gwen, Kitika Meta Yubo petrol station.
Nareki kwanyako.
Rorlonyo Cherokati, Mamega, Ki Bulu, Kikome, and Wigu Yayamu. Kigo Genidaka Beach, Wabarimano Tikanyu were picking a Ngomo Charo.
Inget Sinabel, can you dago? Watu imposter queen.
That is pedestrian. Ena kiloni pedestrian. Uchaka waki in chok kama office pa bahati any kama kaunda grant yene. That is the only. It's almost kill lemon ke kuma kiloni Ramza site. Ni kano gulu city beru mabe. Kenyo no beru kanyual po welogi.
Welo beno ina yana chao kana.
Exactly. No beru kanyual po welogi ke guako mabe, and that is now what takes the green belt. Mano wako gulubero maleng. But because the people in the system don't understand, ni Ramza site, your site, makumano merke guare, genera me chalo eni yugi. That's why even the maintenance is not well. Dongo mo merke tem, merke nen kid make guako kwere mabe. Ento tij mi chera ka guako ne, mero joma wangi tuolo.
Dak dana matiki nge, chalo kumeri geno ati, me chalo nge madde. Pian chao kiana be pat ba, chao kiana be loko no ge, giti offices madono eno ngech me kumjeme gini bana pere ina we
le me to ka balo dar ya ema lem dar no chene kago no chene ki bypassing yimu kana wigi willow the cardinal responsibility kabirmo rumo wa ene mo mano gwa ne chalo that green belt nyo pedestrian marone is that's the only beauty of Gulu.
Ini bichare onyo goto kenye bikere petrol station ene chana ibiti wigera chana and at the end of the day korka diko bieno Ochero balo, ori pa jomo kena matikanye. Pian ka inde kenye ba repercussion deng ti ngi kuja nyanyim kuja. Chen yo ka karane dong pe pi ka karane dong.
Me achel kar pa pi pe mi ario le makwo kenyu or the ecosystem no is destroyed. At the end of the day, NG Mogomatino Tioni, any kilo pero, and pero madong bill, it has a flashback impact. Or we are nano, come take a lokma any, one lokma tech no man kata, Jimulaka quite. Yes.
Peram takma da ni daga campaign kumbeti kiti and apart ma pia taka kumbeti mena ne investors ma kumbeti me anita Evelyn anita ma lawyer Ministry of Investment and kinana ki kwani gen pian lo lo da kono wan po ramadora ginana we da gidon so ka ministry kuma yeti tate mena ki kwani ki dago da ma o lo winyine be
just to loop in ni inera Emma Uganda Investment Authority one of the law to Muamakarchani is setting all cities have industrial parks. Don't ka investor mo ntika bino no nga omero mi ngom ir investor gamente. Gamente taka mi ngom ir investor nyoka investor mero karo project mamege no mero katke chinga gamente. Why does the government again reverse to take them to the wetlands and not give them land to the industrial park? Kumbeti One Vision Group chalo company wamerka yinyo kama a printing press kama dit office ma dit ini ana kama kitaro ye kiwaye ngata mero keto limi kum lobo ni beno meto lim meto teach kingo gini churna mave. That is the solution. Ka wana anywele makanyi katika chwalo wakunu mone mwa akono kikwe kwenda ngo kiko chiana ngo matika bionu kwa mata pekra mtere na maveni. All investors must be put in one central location. One more matika mero teach wachi yinyu teach ara chiel geomatica teach should find easy access. Bia chara matino teno kichwal kuno weke met chene. That is the way forward. We don't need another thing.